Hey, how's it going? I'm Sean, a senior loan officer with the consumer lending arm of a Global 2000 bank. My goal is to help every loan officer make decisions like our best experts with AI agents. I'll be using Dataiku Cobuild to create an application that brings together everything our loan officers need to do their job in one place. It'll have all the applicant data, our models, and an agent that reasons like our best experts. The result? Every loan officer gets an agent with the instincts of our most experienced people. It's going to help them make faster and smarter decisions. And we're going to build this application using Cobuild. That way you'll be able to trust and explain every single AI-generated output. Right now we're looking at a view called the flow, and we've already connected Dataiku to our Snowflake account. But if our data was living in Databricks, AWS, or a host of other places, we'd still be able to connect it, use it with Cobuild, and utilize push-down compute advantages when it's relevant. Alright, I want to understand what our customer data looks like without having to open all the datasets. So that's why I tell Cobuild, tell me about the loan requests in the customer info tables. It tells me things like when they were last modified, which columns I could join, and gives me suggestions about how I can better understand the data. I'm going to ask it to join our tables, train a machine learning model to predict loan defaults, and then apply the model to our pending loan applications. Cobuild will build a visual pipeline with all these steps. And this is where Cobuild really shines, because unlike other agent builders and AI-assisted coding tools, with Dataiku Cobuild, you can easily verify that what you're building is actually correct. With strict coding agents on other agent platforms, a lot of times what you end up with is a wall of code for the output. And code is great. Dataiku is compatible with all the major languages you would expect to use for data science. But when you're building with AI, and especially if you're building in an enterprise, you need to understand what you're building. And unless you're a pretty good programmer, it can be difficult to explain and decipher the outputs of AI-generated code. Think about it. Would you rather your team check their AI-generated work through hundreds or thousands of lines of code? Or would you rather have an interface where they can quickly audit and understand what's on their screen? For example, if I click a step inside Cobuild, it will take me straight there, and this auditability is available inside every single data transformation and step that you create with Cobuild. So at this point, we have a model that can predict when someone's going to default on their loan. Now we need an agent to help our loan officers make better, faster decisions based on our model, and we also need this to be grounded in our bank's policies. Cobuild built the agent, and you can see here how it's attached to our loan table, our loan policies, and our machine learning model. Our agent also has access to any LLMs that our company has approved. Next, I ask it to set up data quality checks and automate scoring and retraining. And the idea here, I don't want this to just be a prototype. I want this to work long-term and in production. Let's first look at the weekly scoring job. Cobuild created a trigger to run every Monday at 5 a.m., then rebuilt our data pipeline, ran some data quality checks, and made predictions for our pending loan applications. We could check the monthly model retraining scenario too, to make sure our model's predictions stay accurate over time. And for the last step, we're going to take this entire data pipeline now and we're going to build it into a 360 application that can help all of our loan officers make better, faster decisions around who should get a loan. Here it is, the Applicant 360 web app that Cobuild built for us. It has a view for customers that are high risk of defaulting, low risk of defaulting, and customers that need review. Let's go ahead and check out one of the customers that needs review, and I'm curious, is there a realistic path for this customer to get approved? So it's definitely not a clear yes, but watch how the agent works. It checks the applicant against our policy threshold, FICO, debt to income ratio, and it confirms that they're all met. Then it does what a good loan officer would. It flags the file that looks incomplete and lays out exactly what we need to verify first. Then it recommends the most conservative approval structure, and I'm going to take this advice. Over in ServiceNow, there's a ticket that the agent created with the next steps, with a strict conditional path to approval. That was a quick look at Dataiku Cobuild. It's one of the many ways that we're helping over 750 enterprises with data prep, machine learning, and AI. With Gartner, we're a leader in this category for the 5th year in a row, and we're fortunate to work with some of the best companies in the world. If you want to see what it would look like to achieve AI success for your enterprise, contact us today. We'll help you build out a use case for your industry, and more importantly, we'll show you how to deliver meaningful and measurable impact on your business using data and AI. We understand that IT leaders, data leaders, CEOs, they are all on the hook right now when it comes to ROI with AI. So we want to make it clear, this is not about an experiment. This is about putting AI in production, and we want to help you do that. If you're ready to turn your AI ambitions into measurable business results, let's have a conversation. We look forward to hearing from you. Dataiku, the platform for AI success.